In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the CVIRTE.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it. And here you'll find your system type. Take note of that and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link that is corresponding to your system type. That will be downloaded from here. Click on the folder icon. And then you have to make or simply double click on that. And click on the install button by accepting the license terms and conditions. But if you have already installed it, just simply click on the repair button and wait for this to be repaired. Now once done, close all the windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that you can do is to also update your Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows, and that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. You can also try to perform the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here simply type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once completed, do not forget to restart your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.